What is a digital twin? Imagine having a virtual clone of a physical object, system, or even an entire city. That's the essence of a digital twin, a real-time digital replica that mirrors its physical counterpart. From jet engines to factories and even the human body, digital twins provide a way to simulate, analyze, and optimize processes before touching the real thing. The magic lies in connectivity. Digital twins use sensors embedded in physical objects to gather data like temperature, pressure, or movement. This data feeds into the virtual model, creating a dynamic, real-time representation. Engineers, doctors, and city planners can then use this digital twin to test scenarios, predict failures, or improve designs, all without risking the real-world counterpart. Take the aviation industry as an example. Aircraft engines often have digital twins that allow manufacturers to monitor performance and predict maintenance needs. Instead of reacting to a breakdown, they can prevent it entirely. The same concept applies to healthcare, where a digital twin of a patient could help doctors test treatments tailored to their unique biology. But it's not just about machines or health. Entire cities are now being mirrored digitally to optimize traffic flow, improve energy use, and plan future infrastructure. With the rise of the Internet of Things, IoT, and advanced computing, digital twins are becoming more powerful and accessible, shaping industries and redefining innovation. The potential is limitless, from reducing downtime in manufacturing to enabling personalized healthcare and creating smarter, more sustainable cities. And there you have it, a quick dive into the fascinating world of digital twins. For more tech innovations explained simply, subscribe to 2 Minute Pros and stay ahead of the curve.